time has come. Pack swiftly. We must leave this place by sundown.
Keep going, Elara. We are almost there.
I am here, Mother. Let me help you.
The storm! It's too fast! I can't breathe!
Fall back! Aye! Keep your shields arch ready! Brace for impact! Keep moving, Elara! Aye! The pass is ahead!
Here, child.
Thank you, Elara.
Keep climbing! Look out! Hold! She's okay! Forward!
Hold on! I'm slipping! I got you! Don't let go!
We have arrived! Finally! I must keep going. Just a little further.
No. No. It's empty.
Water! Water! No, it is not real. It is a mirage.
But water.
Not real. Stay!
Keep it still.
Oh, steady, steady.
Almost done. You will heal.
Keep back! Keep back! Keep back!
Keep back!
Together we stand!
Forward! For the tribe! We are one! Forward!
Keep still, Kael.
It stings. Thank you, Elara.
Back up, quickly! Move, move! The tracks, they're close! Let's go!
Look! An oasis! Water and life! Follow me!
An oasis? It's real! Yes! We're here! We made it! To the greenery!
So cool. It's wet.
Stop! Listen!
Hey, what's wrong?
Something's out there!
Be quiet! Look! Listen!
I feel something here.
Keep your distance. I am not afraid.
What is that you carry?
She must come with us.
Shield, Elara! They're surrounding us! Ready, Kael! We won't back down!